Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at the language of suggestions. I'm wearing my mask because we're still in semi-lockdown in Portugal. What shall we get?
How about those long beans, very long,
okay.
They're more like a Chinese vegetable.
Yeah, how about? Shall we get some long beans? What about some long beans?
Yes.
Let's get some long beans.
Okay.
Obrigada. Já travessa, agora hoje não. Obrigada. Nada. 1,40.
140?
Sim, obrigada.
Obrigada. Bom dia.
Yes, bom dia.
Okay, the small one.
Pequenina.
Yeah.
Estas é 3.
3. Let's get a small one, shall we?
Okay.
Have a try. Small one, please.
Esta, a grande, a pequenina.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's get a small one. What about a small one? Shall we get a small one? Obrigado. Ciao. Well, we've bought everything we need. Lots of goodies, some long beans, some radishes, coriander, lots of lovely stuff. So now we're heading home for a cup of tea and a piece of cake. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.